जो भी करूँगी भीड़ से हटकर करूँगी, भीड़ का हिस्सा नहीं बनना मुझे। जो भी करूँगी भीड़ से हटकर करूँगी, भीड़ का हिस्सा नहीं बनना मुझे। और जब भी बनूँगी इतिहास बनूँगी, किसी कहानी का पन्ना नहीं बनना मुझे। सो हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज तान्या इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड like to say thanks to Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir and the whole NIFL team. And today I am here to talk about very essential topic which is reflect behind me. So I want to ask one question to everyone. Follow the crowd is good and try something new in your life that is good. In this picture, lots of people are present, but most of the people choose only same path, but only one person choose different path from everyone. Likewise, most of the people wants to become successful in life, but this is the tragedy that most of the people wants to be like to each other. Most of the people copying to each other. This is sad reality to the today's generation that everyone following herd mentality. Most of the people confused because how to make the own path, how to make the own way. So related to this situation, I have a story to tell to all of you. One girl lived in Mahendragarh, Haryana district. She belonged very middle class family. She belonged very poor middle class family, and she was a single parent daughter. She was very talented, but most of the family member and society and the community told to her like that there is no need to study, there is no need to think different from us. But she believed in herself and she decided to do something new in life. In 2021, she cleared UPSC with 438 All India rank and IPS post, but she was not satisfied. So in next year 2022, she got 105 All India rank with IAS post. She became successful in life because of her talent and believe in herself and be consistency. So I would like to say that if you believe in yourself, so you can do anything in life. Her name is Divya Tawar, IAS post. She decided a different path from everyone and she became successful in life because of her confidence and be consistency. So likewise, when you try something new from the people mentality and when you try to something new from the people's thinking, they definitely demotivate you, they will distract you, they will laugh at you, but on that time you have to focus only yourself. You have to believe in yourself and be consistency, be positive thing. Because people only said that kind of thing that you become demotivated. So on that time, if you recognize your capability and your confidence, your like talent, so you can do anything in your life and you can face anything in your life and you can express yourself in a very good way. In starting, when you think about something to do very different from the people's mentality, you feel very demotivated, you feel very hesitant and very confused. But if you face that time, you can do anything in life. And don't think about those people who understand you fool, because समाज ने जिसको पागल समझा है उसी ने इतिहास रचा है. So I want to tell you, all of you, please believe in yourself and be confident. There is no need to focus those people who demotivate you, who distracts you. And in last, I would like to say, be confident, just believe in yourself, and that's why whatever you want to do in your life, just believe in yourself and ignore those people who distracts you from your goal, from your target, from your dream, because your dreams only yours, nobody else. So please focus on yourself. And in last, I would like to say, it's okay to be difficult, it's okay to be different, it's okay to be unique, and it's okay to be valuable, because भीड़ आपको साहस देती है पर आपकी पहचान छीन लेती है. So thank you for listening me.